Okay, I found 3 farm implements in my backyard. Kind of looking for information on 2 of them. This one I know is a McCormick Deering number 7 sickle bar. It's in pretty good shape. Needs a little work there. This is a plow, but it doesn't have any numbers or anything on it that I can identify it with. So if anyone knows anything about it, I would appreciate it. And then this one I just pulled out of the field. This looks like it's old, something to do with hay. Again, it's got some numbers on it, but I don't know the name or year. I don't know anything about it. So if anyone knows anything, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.